Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2019 Honda CR-V, 83,000 miles. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. Got a few rock chips that have been touched up front. Otherwise, there ain't much on the body. It's a tricolor white, good looking color. Got the sunroof. Really clean interior, like I said, 83,000 miles, memory seats, heated seats. Very, very nice SUV, all-wheel drive. Got tow package. So if you're looking for a nice CR-V, this one will do the deal. Got new tires on it. So, and then it comes with warranty, 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. So, nice, clean, rust-free CR-V with warranty. 605-692-7010.